What if a simple powder in your kitchen could do more than just bake? Baking soda isn't just for cakes, it's a powerful tool for health and wellness. Can it really help neutralize acid, fight bacteria, and even slow the spread of tumors? From soothing skin to acting as a natural toothpaste, we'll uncover the science-backed secrets of baking soda. Curious about how it may impact cancer or improve your everyday health? Stay tuned, because this video will reveal the surprising benefits that could change the way you see this common ingredient. Very okay. Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, might seem humble at first glance, a fine white powder tucked away in the back of a pantry. But this seemingly ordinary substance carries extraordinary properties that extend far beyond baking. Food-grade baking soda is a marvel of modern kitchens, acting as a leavening agent that gives rise to the fluffiest cakes and the softest loaves of bread. When mixed with acidic ingredients like buttermilk or lemon juice, it releases carbon dioxide, creating air pockets that make baked goods light and tender. Alkaline water with baking soda, a sip of balance. Beyond the oven, baking soda transforms into a wellness elixir when added to water. A pinch of baking soda can raise the pH of your water, creating alkaline water that some believe can help neutralize acid in the body. This simple addition turns your ordinary glass of water into a tool for balancing your body's pH levels, potentially aiding in digestion and reducing acid reflux. The alkalinity may also support hydration at a deeper cellular level, making it a popular choice among those pursuing holistic health. Health benefits: more than meets the eye. The benefits of baking soda extend even further. A small amount in your bath can soothe irritated skin, while a paste made with water can calm insect bites and minor burns. Ingested in moderation, food-grade baking soda is also believed to help with heartburn, as it neutralizes stomach acid, providing quick relief. It's a natural antacid, a gentle cleaner, and a home remedy that has stood the test of time. Interesting facts: the science behind the simplicity. Ancient origins: baking soda's use dates back to ancient Egypt, where it was harvested from dry lake beds to create natron, a natural mixture used for mummification and cleansing. A multitasking marvel: in the kitchen, baking soda can do more than bake. It tenderizes meat, deodorizes refrigerators, and even extinguishes small grease fires. Eco-friendly cleaner: mixed with vinegar, baking soda creates a powerful cleaning agent, ideal for scrubbing sinks, counters, and even whitening laundry. A helping hand in fitness: some athletes use baking soda as a performance booster. Known as bicarbonate loading, it's said to help delay fatigue during intense workouts by buffering lactic acid buildup. Baking soda in baking: the secret ingredient. When it comes to baking, baking soda's role is pivotal. It's the catalyst that turns wet dough into airy golden brown bread, and it gives cookies their perfect texture. But it's also precise. Too much can leave a bitter taste, while too little may result in dense, flat results. Understanding the science of how it interacts with other ingredients is key to unlocking its full potential in your recipes. The science behind baking soda, new discoveries and health insights. Recent studies are shedding new light on the health benefits of food-grade baking soda, particularly in its role as an anti-inflammatory agent. Research suggests that consuming small amounts of baking soda may help reduce inflammation throughout the body, potentially providing relief for conditions such as arthritis and autoimmune diseases. It works by encouraging the spleen to promote an anti-inflammatory environment, a fascinating glimpse into how this common kitchen staple could have far-reaching health effects. Baking soda, food-grade versus cleaning grade. When it comes to baking soda, not all are created equal. The key difference between food-grade baking soda and its cleaning counterpart lies in purity. Food-grade baking soda is manufactured under strict guidelines to ensure it's safe for consumption, free from any harmful contaminants. On the other hand, cleaning-grade baking soda, while chemically similar, may contain impurities that make it unsuitable for ingestion. This distinction is crucial. Always ensure you're using food-grade baking soda for culinary or health purposes to avoid any potential risks. Alkaline water: adjusting the pH with baking soda. The alkalinity of water is often a topic of interest for those seeking to balance their body's pH levels. Adding baking soda to water can significantly increase its pH, transforming it from slightly acidic or neutral to alkaline. For example, 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda added to 1 liter of water can raise the pH by approximately 0.5 to 1 pH unit, depending on the original pH of the water. 1/4 teaspoon may increase the pH by about 1 to 2 units. It's important to note that while the occasional use of alkaline water can be beneficial, consistent overuse should be approached with caution to avoid upsetting the body's natural acid-base balance. Interesting health facts: beyond the basics. Kidney health: emerging research suggests that baking soda may help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease, CKD. By neutralizing acids in the blood, it reduces the workload on the kidneys, potentially preserving their function. Athletic performance: some athletes use baking soda as an ergogenic aid. Known as bicarbonate loading, it helps buffer the acid produced during intense exercise, delaying fatigue and improving endurance. However, dosage must be carefully controlled to avoid gastrointestinal discomfort. Teeth whitening: baking soda is a popular, natural teeth whitener. Its mild abrasiveness helps remove surface stains, and its alkaline nature neutralizes acids in the mouth, contributing to overall oral health. Skin health: a paste made from baking soda and water can be used to exfoliate the skin gently. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties may help soothe conditions like eczema and psoriasis, though it's always recommended to test a small area first. The future of baking soda research. Scientists continue to explore the potential of baking soda beyond its traditional uses. Studies are investigating its role in treating metabolic acidosis, managing acid reflux, and even as a possible adjunct therapy for cancer, where its ability to neutralize acidic environments may hinder the spread of tumors. These emerging areas of research could unlock new therapeutic avenues for this simple compound. Baking soda is a natural antacid, often used to neutralize stomach acid and relieve heartburn. However, the stomach needs to be acidic to properly digest food and absorb nutrients. Overuse of baking soda can reduce stomach acidity too much, impairing digestion. For those with low stomach acid, drinking lemon water or apple cider vinegar 30 minutes before meals can help increase acidity, aiding digestion. These acidic solutions can stimulate stomach acid production, improving digestion and nutrient absorption. However, they should be avoided if you have ulcers or severe acid reflux, as they can irritate the stomach lining. In short, baking soda is great for occasional relief, but maintaining a healthy balance of stomach acid is key for digestion. Before making any significant changes to your diet or using remedies like baking soda, lemon water, or apple cider vinegar, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. Everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not be suitable for another, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Always prioritize your health and well-being by getting personalized advice. When using baking soda, always check the label to ensure you're getting food-grade, aluminum-free baking soda. Although some people worry about aluminum, rest assured that baking soda itself is naturally aluminum-free. The confusion often comes from baking powder, which can sometimes contain aluminum. We recommend opting for the aluminum-free version of baking powder for your baking needs. Your baking soda is safe for all your healthy recipes, so you can confidently use it in your kitchen. Your body deserves the best, so make sure you know what's in your pantry. 4 surprising gluten-free recipes using baking soda for a healthier you. 1. Gluten-free healthy banana bread. Ingredients: 3 ripe bananas, mashed. 1½ cups rice flour or gluten-free flour blend. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 2 eggs. 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup. 1/3 cup coconut oil, melted. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional: ½ cup nuts or dairy-free chocolate chips. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Grease a 9x 5-inch loaf pan. In a large bowl, mix the mashed bananas, eggs, honey or maple syrup, melted coconut oil, and vanilla extract until well combined. In another bowl, whisk together the rice flour and baking soda. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Fold in nuts or chocolate chips if using. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan and bake for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. 2. Fluffy gluten-free pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup rice flour or gluten-free flour blend. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. 1 egg. 1 cup coconut milk or almond milk. 1 tablespoon melted coconut oil. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: in a large bowl, whisk together the rice flour and baking soda. In another bowl, beat the egg and mix in the coconut milk, honey or maple syrup, melted coconut oil, and vanilla extract. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Do not overmix. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and lightly grease it with coconut oil. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Cook until bubbles form on the surface, then flip and cook until golden brown on both sides. Serve warm with your favorite gluten-free toppings like fresh berries, nuts, or a drizzle of maple syrup. 3. Gluten-free quick oatmeal muffins. Ingredients: 1½ cups gluten-free rolled oats. 1 cup plain coconut yogurt or dairy-free yogurt. 1 egg. 1/4 cup honey or maple syrup. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon. 1 cup fruit, like blueberries, diced apples, or mashed bananas. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit 175 degrees Celsius. Line a muffin tin with paper liners. In a large bowl, mix the gluten-free oats and coconut yogurt. Let it sit for 5 minutes to soften the oats. Stir in the egg, honey or maple syrup, and baking soda. Fold in the cinnamon and fruit. Spoon the batter into the muffin tin, filling each cup about 2/3 full. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the muffins cool in the tin for a few minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. 4. Homemade alkaline water. Ingredients: 1 liter of water. 1/8 teaspoon baking soda. Instructions: pour 1 liter of water into a pitcher or bottle. Add 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and stir until fully dissolved. Drink throughout the day to stay hydrated and help balance your body's pH levels. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, balanced life. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Thanks for watching. Very okay.